Today we're going to take a look at using the chain rule with trig functions. So our first example is the sine of 2x. Notice that we have a composition of functions, that we've got this inside function, 2x on the inside, sine on the outside. So we can let our u equal the inside function, and then our y is really sine of u. So our derivative is the derivative of y with respect to u times the derivative of u with respect to x. Then we substitute back, so this would be 2 times the cosine of 2x. Or you can think of it as derivative of outside times the derivative of the inside. So the derivative of sine is cosine, and then we multiply by the derivative of the inside angle, which is 2. Okay, let's try another example. Let's do tangent to the 5th power of x squared. Now what's interesting about this is we've got several inside functions, because we can say that this is really the tangent of x squared to the 5th power. So we've got tangent inside x to the 5th and x squared inside of tangent. So to find this derivative, we're going to use the chain rule multiple times. So first, power rule will bring the 5 in front, raise that to the 4th power. Now we've got to multiply by the derivative of what's inside. The derivative of tangent is secant squared. And then we've got to multiply by the derivative of what's inside again. And the derivative of x squared is 2x. So now we have 5 times 2, which is 10x. We still have this secant squared. And then we've got tan to the 4th power of x squared. Let's say our function was arc cos, so the inverse cos of 3x. Well, we do the same thing that we would have if this was just arc cos of x. We've got -1 over the square root of 1 minus the angle squared. But then we have to multiply by the derivative of the angle, the inside function. So this is -3 over 1 minus 3x squared. Just one more with inverse trig. Let's say g of x is inverse tan of x cubed minus 1. G prime is 1 over 1 plus x squared, or 1 plus the angle squared, so in this case it's x cubed minus 1 squared times the derivative of the angle. So we've got 3x squared over 1 plus x cubed minus 1 squared.